Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character E step by step. I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Now, let's write. E. Meaning. Friendship. Yi Wu. Commitment. Duty. Now check this sentence. Maintaining world peace is our duty. World peace is our duty.维护世界和平是我们的义务。维护世界和平 （World Peace） 和平是我们的义务。维护世界和平是我们的义务。Maintaining world peace is our duty. 维护世界和平是我们的义务。My daily handwriting on the character E. E. Meaning. Friendship. 义务 Commitment. Duty. Maintaining world peace is our duty. 维护世界和平是我们的义务。E. Please comment any words or sentence with the character E. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.